Good morning, children. I'm your teacher Aarti ma'am from Sanskriti school. How are you all? It feels so nice to meet you all again once more. Children, I hope you all are doing the activities at home. Wonderful, children. And I'm sure that you are not going out of your home. Yes? So today, before starting with the new thing to learn, do you remember what did we do last time? I had shown you some objects, and yes, I had shown you the flashcards of few pictures. Who remembers what did we do last time? That's wonderful. All of you remember? Yes, we did. We learned the concept of big and small and tall and short. So today, children, I have got few more objects for you to. I'm going to show you few more objects, okay? So are you all interested to see? So here I have got two books, okay? So this is a big book and a small book, okay? Big book and small book. Now what do I have? I have got this from my fridge. Capsicum, and see, a big capsicum and a small capsicum. Big capsicum and small capsicum. Now after this big and small, what did we study? We studied tall and short. So I have the flashcards for tall and short. These are two lamps, okay? This is a tall lamp and a short lamp. Tall lamp, short lamp. And here there are two poles on which flags are there. This is a tall pole and a short pole. Tall pole and a short pole. Children, I hope you all have searched these objects at home. Yes, and did you find it interesting and did you had fun looking for all these objects? And why always you have to look for the objects? If you have a pen, a pencil and a paper or a book, you can even draw these objects. You can draw a big ball, a small ball, a big house and small house. You can draw a tall man, a short man. Yes, so you can have more fun. Now, children, it's been so long, right? We haven't been to school. I'm missing you all, children. You are also missing your teachers, your friends, yes? And I'm missing going to school by the bus, isn't it? And I am missing our bus kakas and bus tais. And I'm sure you all must be missing our bus kakas and bus tais, isn't it? Do you remember, children, that early morning when we are all dressed up and ready to go to school, we wait for the bus to come, and when the bus comes at a stop, what does a bus tai do? She opens the door of the bus, then we get in the bus, and then the tai closes the door of the bus, yes, and then we all go to school. Then after reaching school, what do we do the first thing? We start our day with our prayers, isn't it? Then we join our hands, and then while saying the prayer, children, you remember now, we close our eyes, yes? And after that, what we do? After our prayers are done, we open our eyes, and then we start with our studies. Then we open the book, write in our book, and after it's done, we close the book. Then we open another book, read something from the book, and then we close the book, isn't it? And after the study time, what time it is then? We have our lunch, yes. And do you remember now, while before having lunch, we wash our hands. So we open the tap, wash our hands, and then we close the tap. And then all of you, especially on Wednesdays, I have observed you all are eager and excited to have your lunch, because you get your favorite food during Wednesdays, isn't it? And what do you do while having lunch? You open your lunch box, eat your lunch, and after you are done, you again close the lunch box, isn't it? And then what do? Again we study for a few more activities we do, isn't it? Then it's time for us to go home. Then You all open your bag and put everything inside, isn't it? Yes, you put your bottle, your lunch box, your almanac inside the bag, and then you close your bag, and then you go to your bus again. And you remember, this is the day we spent the day in school every day. Yes, in coming days we are going to come back to school, children. Okay, so we'll be having lots of fun again. You are right, children. Your guess is absolutely right. We have studied the concept of open and close. Open and close. I have got a few more objects for open and close, okay, from my home. Do you want to see what I have got? I have got this box with me. What I do, I open this box, okay, and then I take out few things from this box, and then I close it again. What do? I close it. So I open and I close the box, okay. Now when I go to buy vegetables, what do? I carry this small purse with me, okay, and I have to give money to the vegetable uncle, kaka. Then I open the purse, okay, then give the money, take out the money, and after it I close the purse, okay. What do? I open the purse and close the purse, okay. Now I'm sure, children, many of you or all of you must be spending some time reading, okay, reading storybooks. So I also sometimes read books. So what do? While reading, first I open the book, I read it, and then after I'm done reading, I close the book. So I open the book and then I close the book. So shall we sing a nice song for it now? All of you are excited? Come on. Show me your hands. Yes, you listen the song and then you can sing it later. Okay. Show me your hands. Yes. Open, close, everybody clap, clap, clap. Open, close, everybody touch your eyes. Now open, close, everybody clap, clap, clap. Open, close, everybody touch your ears. Open, close, everybody clap, clap, clap. Open, close, everybody touch your arms. Open, close, everybody clap, clap, clap. Open, close, everybody clap, clap, clap. Everybody clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. That's wonderful. How was it? So you can sing this song whenever you are free, whenever you like. Yes? Now, what shall we do the activity? Yes, you know, you have to find few objects, look for few objects that you can open and close. Shall I tell you few objects? You know, I know what you can open and close. Sitting here, I know at your home what you can open and close. You can open your door of your house and close it. But just open, don't go out of your house, okay? Open it and then close it again. And then what does Mama opens in the kitchen? She opens the fridge and then she closes the fridge, isn't it? Then what does Papa does? Papa, he opens the laptop, works on it, and then he closes. So just try to look for these objects. You can even draw the objects, okay? And have fun, yes? Now so far we are done for the day, children. It's time for me to say goodbye. But I'm sure that you'll stay home, take good care, and you'll wash your hands also, okay? Don't remember that when we wash our hands, what do? Open the tap, wash our hands, and then close the tap, isn't it? So enjoy and take good care of yourself. I'm going to meet you soon. Till then, have fun. Okay, see you. Goodbye.